Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a real customer of Greg's awesome headlights. Let me just say that if you ever had LASIK, how you can see because of the surgery, let me tell you that Greg and his wonderful tradecraft managed to turn something into clear brilliance. Wow.
Bam!
Thank you. Now, I do want to say that his business does support veterans and first responders, and I'm very grateful and thankful for that. I too am a veteran, a U.S. Army veteran. I commissioned in 2008 with 2 tours, 2 deployments. I got out in 2016, and the Lord has called me to do ministry as a pastor, so that's what I currently do now.
Awesome.
And what else? I do support his business. Please, I do recommend for other people in uniform. That would be awesome if you could support him. Interesting thing that I'd like to say, though, I know I was asked, but I'm very fascinated with Dr. Pimple Popper. I don't know why, that's the first thing that popped in my mind. So thank you, Greg. Thank you, sir, for what you do and the awesome work that you do.
Yeah, so thank you for your service times 2. Yeah, these just had basically
Wow, it is.
well, I mean, these are, yeah, I mean, these were the original lamps.
Compare that one there.
Oh yeah, let's pick on them. Ooh,
Look at that.
I'm gonna zoom in. Let's pick on that.
Before and after.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna pick on this buddy. He's not even here. Okay. All right. Go back. Squirrel. Anyway, so yes, this is a 01 Sequoia, and the challenge here was we're clearing these up. It was just basically just a bunch of yellowing. Forgive the airplanes and the wind noise. Sorry about that, but that's what we have out here, so we'll roll with it. Anyway, the challenge here, of course, is to match the... Where's my hand? There it is. The side reflector to match with that to make it kind of look like it's, you know, close. And I think we're really close. The issue here is just getting them really clear and removing well, I guess basically what, 21 years worth of yellowing on there. So thankfully nothing on the inside, and they cleared up great. And so anyway, I thank you for your service times 2, and thank you for humoring me, and we're good.